A piece of my bell pepper plant fell off. We were out doing our harvest and we found that some of our bell peppers have gotten so big, brag, that it actually broke this when I tried to remove it. So I'm going to see if I can clone this. One of the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to remove these bottom leaves. Done. And I'm going to remove a couple of the top leaves too. That's so it can put more energy into root development and not putting so much energy into creating foliage. Alright, looks kind of naked, but that's alright. There's one more step. It's not necessary, but I seem to get better results when I do this. When I take a knife and kind of score it down, just like that. Actually, I want to kind of chop it on the diagonal. What this does is it actually exposes this right here to the rooting hormone. Hey, baby. Now let's go ahead and get this cutling in there. And that's it. Now, unlike the tomato, it doesn't have a lot of those fibers, which are mini roots sticking out that we want to, get going. But they do have little nodes like this one. But sometimes you'll see them pop up along a stem. But either way, we're going to get this down to some water right now. And that's pretty much it. Stop looking at the cat. I'm going to take it and place it down right here on the porch. And let that sit for a couple of weeks. And we'll come back and check on this every couple of days. So stay with us as we continue to follow this thing into its development. And it should produce some roots. Not a guarantee, but let's hope so. And as always, please subscribe, hit the like button, it doesn't hurt. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora. And don't forget, please subscribe or just hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora.